Rob is in the Mario Galaxy movie? Let me explain this real quick. In case you don't know, for the very first Mario movie, there was a phone number you could call, which was the number that was on the van for the Mario Brothers. If you called them, it would have an automated message, then, yeah. But here was some evidence that Rob is in the Mario Galaxy movie. This is the evidence that I have. As you see, that is Rob. This means Rob is going to be in the Mario movie. In case you can't see, I'm going to enlarge it in a second. This is just in case you couldn't see it. This means Rob will be in the Mario Galaxy movie. Although I hope they don't turn him into a bike like they did in Mario Kart World. I just hope.